Hey guys, HackerKid here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest health bar with no variables whatsoever. Let's get straight into it. So first off, we need to create some costumes with the health bar for our sprite. So I'll duplicate the first one, and after that I'm gonna create a rectangle green color because our health bars are often green. I need the outline to be set to 10, and I'm going to make it and center it a bit more. And yeah, I think this looks good. So I'll duplicate it and start working on the less health. Wait, I think I should keep the outline a bit different so that the health can go down smoothly. I think I should make it grayish black, a bit more black. Yeah, this looks good. Now I'll duplicate it. So now I'll zoom in for more, and now I'll make a black box showing that health just went down. So yeah, black color, and I need to make this perfectly aligned to the gray box so that it doesn't look weird. So a bit adjustment is required. Yeah, you can do it like this, and after that I will just need to do this a bunch more times. Duplicate and then increase the box in every costume so that it looks like the health is going down. Yeah, this is fine. And then after a few costumes, after I make it a bit bigger, what I will need to do is change the color of the green health bar to yellowish, orange or red as the health is going down. I'll make it yellow right now. One more in which the health goes down even more, and after this I'll change the color again after doing this. I think I should make it a bit more yellowish. Yeah, this seems fine, and now we'll do this again and again till we reach the end. So now that we're done with our health bar, that means our health bar is finished. We'll ungroup our cat's face, remove its mouth and make it reversed so it looks like it's sad now. We will delete its pupils and ungroup them first, delete, and after that we're gonna make a line cross because that's how dead people are depicted in cartoons. So now the cat is going to look like it's dead after its health bar is whole. So moving on to the code. Now when flag clicked, we want it to firstly switch to costume 2. So I'll just put switch to costume 2, which is in looks. Switch to costume 14.1, and then we're gonna make it show. After that we're gonna click it. We need to make it costume 2, so I'll just change this, and yeah, so now we can see our health bar is visible on screen. So now we'll say forever if and we need to pick a sprite which will damage our cat, so let's just find one over here. What should I keep? You know what, let's just say that our cat is lactose intolerant, it's allergic to cheese, and just keep it cheese puffs. So let's go to cheese puffs. See, when flag clicked, it'll go to this position and then show itself because we might hide it later. So back to the cat. Now we'll say forever. Inside this forever we'll drag an if, forever if, and we'll go to touching the cheesy puffs. Oh, we wanted to damage our cat when we touch it, which means we have to switch to the next costume showing the health going down. We'll say switch costume to costume 3, but I should say we'll switch costume to next costume. So we'll just switch it to the next one. It's here somewhere. Yeah, next costume over there. So we'll take this, we'll keep it here, and then we'll say wait 1 second to check if the cat is still touching it. So now we'll see the cheese puff is on the cat, it's getting damaged. When we remove it, it's not. Okay, so it's working perfectly fine right now, except the fact that after we remove that, now the cat is dead. But if we touch it once more, it goes to the next costume and repeats the loop. So now it has full health again. So this is happening. The health keeps going down, and then when the health is finished and the cat is dead, it switches to the next costume, which is costume 1, in which the health is full. So to stop that, we need to do something. So we'll say forever when flag clicked. So if we are our costume is equal to the end one, which is 14, our costume number is equal to 14, then we want it to stop everything, which means we lost the game. And also we'll make it broadcast a message as well, but just in case we want it to do anything before it just died. We'll name the message death of cat, and yeah, so whenever it dies, it'll broadcast this message and then stop everything. So, and also we'll make it like able to move. So we'll say when space key pressed, we'll change this to right arrow, move 10 steps, 5 steps. We'll duplicate this when left arrow pressed, -5 steps. We'll duplicate this again. When up arrow pressed, we want it to change the Y level by 5. We'll change this to 5. And when it's not pressed, we'll change this. When down arrow is pressed, we'll change this to -5. So now we can traverse the screen up, down, left, right. So let's just try it once. I don't think my full screen is working, so I'll just try from here. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. And now when I touch the cheese, my health goes down. It's going down, it's going down. And when the cat finally dies, it stays like that and everything stops. So we're almost done with this. So let's add a sprite. We'll make it like a med kit, and I'll just design it right now. So the reason we're making this is we want to have a way for the sprite to regain health to max after it's been damaged. So we'll start coding it. We'll say when flag clicked, and we'll take it to the left corner of the screen and say go to this place. And after that, we'll say forever if. So we'll go to forever, and then if we are touching the sprite 1, which is our cat, then first we'll just go and then say broadcast message, new message we'll create. And no, we'll cancel this. We'll say broadcast and wait. We'll broadcast a new message, health max, which will max out our health. And then we're going to go to looks. We're going to say hide right before broadcasting the message and show as soon as the flag is clicked. So we'll go to the cat. We'll say when flag no, we won't do this. We'll just remove this. When I receive the health max message, we'll switch our costume to costume 1, which means our health is now max. Costume 2. So when flag clicked, we'll see if it works. Our cat goes to the cheese, it starts getting poisoned. It's now dying. And right before we die, I'm gonna take it out. And then we're gonna go to the health. And let's just see if it works. Okay, so now we got the health, and yep, it works. So now our health is full. And yeah, that is it for today's video. In this video you have learned how to add a basic level health bar to all your sprites in Scratch and make them damage and regain health. So you can use this for many projects like games in which you have health bars. So thanks for watching and see you until next time.